Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. Today I will share with you a very important informations. There are some job vacancies from Gulf country and it's a urgent job vacancies, and according to the urgent project they are hiring many candidates. So please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, and how you can get a chance to move Gulf country with a job with a good salary. So what you can see here, this is a project for FIFA World Cup in Qatar. This is a Gulf country. I hope you all know that. So as you can see here, the job openings is very urgent. If you want to apply, you can immediately contact to the office. As you can see here mentioned, this office is in Mumbai. First of all, I would like to tell you very important point. The point is I am sharing with you informations, but your responsibility, you have to verify the recruitment, you have to verify the office before you giving any single money to any persons or any office. You have to verify properly. After that, you can move forward for this process to complete. So this is a urgent job vacancies from Qatar, totally free of charge. That means if you will select from interview, of course, you can get a chance to move Qatar with a job without free of cost. So all candidates should have minimum 1 year of experience in catering industry, excellent English communication skills, golf experience preferred. Age limit should be 20 to 40 years. Age limit comes for 25 to 35 years. So the position is CDP cold prep, CDP hot prep, commis cold. So this is all about to related to catering industry. If you have experience, you can apply as soon as possible and you can attend the interview in this office. So move to next job. As you can see here, this is a urgent job vacancies from Qatar. So I hope you will notice it. You will apply as soon as possible. The second is also from Qatar. This is a rotational job required for offshore oil and gas project. So guys, if you have oil and gas project experience and you're willing to these professionals, you can apply as soon as possible. The job is safety advisor, AutoCAD operator, instrument foreman, rigging foreman, piping and fabrication foreman. So for short-term job, rigger, sergeant, pipe fabricators, offshore riggers. So long term and short term, both jobs are available here. If you are interested, you can apply as soon as possible, and you have to visit to the office and you have to inquire about the interview, and you can easily get a chance to move Qatar with a job. So next is required for road and infrastructure project in Saudi Arabia. So this is also a Gulf country. I hope you all know that. So job is planning engineer, project manager, construction manager, technical officer, environmental manager, quantity supervisor, QC manager, QC engineer, safety manager, safety officer, BIM modeler, CAD operator. So there are different type of job openings from Saudi Arabia. If you want to apply, you can visit to the office. As you can see here mentioned in front of you, you can contact by their number. And before you process, I already told you, again I am telling you again, that you have to verify the office, you have to verify your process, and after that you can move to forward all your process to complete. So this is a job openings from Saudi Arabia. If you want to apply, you can visit to the office and you can apply as soon as possible. Next, this is also a job from Qatar FIFA World Cup project in Doha. Doha is the capital city of Qatar. I hope you all know that. So the job is venue operation manager, QHSC coordinators, HR coordinator, IT coordinator, IT supervisor, finance document controller, assistant controller, and accommodation, canvas, assistant canvas, accommodation supervisor. So there are huge job openings from Qatar for FIFA World Cup. So I hope don't be late. You will apply as soon as possible. If you want to apply, you can visit to the office and you can contact by this number and you can drop your CV to the given official email ID. Verify the office, verify the process. After you getting successful visa, you can pay your processing fees. before that not giving a single money. So next, this is job from Saudi Arabia, process technicians, fresher engineers with 1 to 2 years of experience in textile industry. So if you have experience in textile industry, apply as much as possible for process technicians. This is a attractive salary with other benefits are provided. If you want to apply, you can visit to the office as you can see here, and contact number also there. You can verify the office, you can verify the process, then you can apply and attend the interview. So I am sharing with you job openings with official address because in the previous videos, many of viewers and subscribers are requesting to share the official address in the different city in India. So I am sharing with you the office address through which address you can visit to the office and you can properly attend the interview and you can properly process your visa and you can face to face check and verify the office. Then it will be easy and it will be a genuine process for you. So again and again I am telling you, I'm sharing you the official address with job openings. Please visit to the office and verify first of all and verify your process. After you getting successful process and visa, then you can provide the processing fees. This is very important point. If you will giving any single money to any persons or any office without verifications, then that responsibility is yours, not mine. So I am just sharing with you job openings and official address. You have to verify it. It's very important points. So this is a job from Saudi Arabia and this is related to hospital jobs. So if you have previous experience, you can apply for the jobs. There are, you can see here, many cities in Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Kochi, and Bangalore, New Delhi. In the different cities, there have offices. You can contact in the nearest offices to apply for this job. So next is also from Qatar. So assistant welder and delivering labor. So if you want to apply and if you want to attend interview in Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kochi, Baroda, Delhi, you can apply as soon as possible. So guys, I hope you understand what's the job openings and in which country and how to apply and what will be the verify by you. Everything need to verify official address and job positions and successful process, then you can provide the processing fees. I'm telling you again and again the same things because this is very important point. I don't need a single of my viewers or a single of my subscribers will face any type of cheating. This is very important for me. So I'm sharing you the information, verify it, apply and visit to the office and try to crack the interview. And I hope and I wish best of luck to get a chance in Gulf country for your future. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will share with you very job openings, very important job openings from other countries. After that, stay with this channel. God bless you. Bye bye.